What are military customs and courtesies? Imagine walking into a room full of service members and seeing everyone move with precision and respect. That's because of the traditions and behaviors that keep the military running smoothly. These are called customs and courtesies. Customs are the long-standing social rules that everyone follows, even if they are not written down. Courtesies are the polite actions that show respect to people, flags, and symbols. Together, they help build a sense of discipline and unity among service members. Saluting is one of the most recognizable customs. It's a hand gesture that shows respect and acknowledgement of rank. Officers and enlisted personnel exchange salutes to demonstrate mutual respect. The salute has roots in history, possibly from Roman soldiers or medieval knights raising their helmets. When saluting, the hand touches the forehead or the eyebrow, with the palm facing down. It's used during formal occasions or when passing a superior officer. Using proper forms of address is another key part. Calling someone sir or ma'am keeps communication respectful and clear. It reinforces the chain of command and shows politeness. Standing at attention or parade rest during formal events or when speaking to a superior also shows discipline. These postures are physical signs of readiness and respect. Respect for symbols is also important. Service members salute the national flag, stand during the national anthem, and honor military music. These actions express patriotism and appreciation for the country's history. When reporting to a superior officer, customs include saluting when arriving and leaving. This shows respect for authority and maintains order. In daily life, these customs influence how service members interact. For example, when an officer enters a room, the first person to notice calls the room to attention. Enlisted members stand at parade rest when addressed by a senior non-commissioned officer. When entering a vehicle, the junior member enters first and exits last. These simple actions keep the environment respectful and organized. Living in the armed forces means making these customs part of your daily routine. They create a shared language of respect that unites everyone. Following military protocol through customs and courtesies supports leadership and upholds the core values of duty and honor. They are more than just rules. They are the foundation of military life.